God, today is Wednesday, the 18th day of March. Thank you for this new day and for the breath that gives me strength. Open my eyes to see the good around me, and soften my heart to show kindness to others. Guide my steps so I act with wisdom and courage, and give me patience for the challenges ahead. Help me offer compassion where it is needed, and gratitude for the gifts I receive. May my words bring peace, my work bring meaning, and my presence bring comfort to those I meet. Keep me grounded in hope and trust, and remind me that every small act of love matters. Lord, fill me with calm and clarity. Help me to listen more than I speak, to see with compassion, and to act with integrity. Grant me patience in difficulty, courage when I am afraid, and wisdom to choose what heals rather than harms. Let my hands bring help, my words bring encouragement, and my heart remain open to wonder and gratitude. Walk with me through this day and keep me mindful of your love. Amen.